Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this video is all about how to get started with the DJI Air 2S. Just like other DJI drones in the past, the Air 2S is super simple to set up to get yourself flying, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. If you're wanting more of an overview as to what's new on the DJI Air 2S, then check out our first look video. All you need to do is click on the link that's in our description to go give it a watch. Okay, back to the setup. Once you've unboxed your new drone, I'd recommend giving everything a once over check and then popping your battery and your remote controller on charge. Familiarise yourself with the buttons, where they're positioned and what they do, like your on-off button, how you can switch between modes, your return to home, your gimbal control and your start-stop record button. All really useful to know where they are and what they actually do. Then make sure you attach your joysticks. Screw them on nice and tightly so that you know they're not going to come off mid-flight. They can be quite tricky to screw in, but don't worry if you drop one into the abyss. You do get a spare set in the box. Now let's pull the phone holder and antenna out and connect up our phone so that we can use the DJI Fly app to fly. And the connector cables are nicely stored just under the holder like so. When it comes to attaching the props to your drone, you just want to ensure that you're putting the right ones on the right motors. Luckily, DJI love a bit of color coding to help you out. So as we can see here, we just want to match the props with the orange circle to the motors, which are also orange, and then the black props to the black motors. They're really easy to attach. You just push down and twist into place. Then, just as a final thing, I always like to run my fingers along each prop as I pull them out, just to check to make sure that there isn't any damage or nicks in them which could cause problems during flight. Now all we need to do is turn everything on and activate the drone via the DJI Fly app. If this is your first time flying with a DJI drone, then I'd recommend spending some time to familiarise yourself with the layout of the DJI Fly app, just so that you know where the important settings or information is displayed and accessed, because the last thing you want to do when your drone is in the air is spend too long looking at your phone screen. I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed watching. If you have, then please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. And don't forget, if you want to find out any more information on the DJI Air 2S, then you can click on the link that's in our description, or you can head on over to jessops.com now. Thanks for watching guys, that's all from me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.